Eerst, en daar kijken jullie uiteraard naar uit. Winnares van The Voice van Vlaanderen, Pauline, bij ons in de studio. En ze brengt haar geweldige versie van Smile.
When you first left me, I was wanting more. But you were fucking that girl next door. What you do that for? When you first left me, I didn't know what to say. I've never been on my own that way. Just sat by myself all day. I was so lost back then, but with a little help from my friends, I found a light in the tunnel at the end. Now you're calling me up on the phone, so you can have a little wine and a moan. And it's only because you're feeling alone. At first, when I see you cry, yeah, it made me smile. Yeah, it made me smile. At worst, I feel bad for a while, and then I just smile. I go ahead and smile. Whenever you see me, you say that you want me back, and I tell you it don't mean jack. No, it don't mean jack. I couldn't stop laughing, no, I just couldn't help myself. So you messed up my mental health. I was quite unwell. At first, when I see you cry, yeah, it made me smile. Yeah, it made me smile. At worst, I feel bad for a while, and then I just smile. I go ahead and smile.
Live bij ons gebracht in de studio. Wow, Pauline!